mean, I got some great
Hi.
life, but I'm barely passing economics.
What?
You know?
What are you trying to do? You got a big head. Go the other way. Go around.
Let's not drag this out, okay? I lied to you, you lied to me. We both have
What are you doing?
Being together is just messing everything up. We should just go our separate ways.
Here, Onyx. Careful.
Will you put me on the spot?
Go play with your toys. Hey, come. What are you watching?
Like my heart's gonna drop. My mind just
Anaya. Hi, Booger.
words are spinning in my head.
You got a big head.
I'm holding back.
Anaya. Little kiss. I love you.